Hi, I'm going to give you a little bit of orientation into the Excel Gradebook 1 instructions. Now, the exact assignments that will be included in this gradebook will vary from semester to semester because I'm always changing out old assignments for new assignments, but much of what I'm talking about here will be the same, even though the names of the assignments may be different. This is worth 10 points, and first thing you need to do is name your file name, last name, first name, dash Excel1, and then later on you'll do last name, first name, Excel 2, last name, first name, Excel 3 for later assignments later in the semester. This is just to get you started, keeping track of the comments and keeping track of your grades as you get them. Name the Angel Dropbox subject box the same. Submit the assignment to the assignment Dropbox. Turn your assignment in before the due date and time. 5 points deducted for an incorrect file name or subject name, and 50% will be taken off if it's late, which would be 5 points or 50%, and then whatever other you miss. If you have missing assignments that are not in there that are supposed to be in there, then that will be 1 point for every assignment that is missing. So first thing you do is you label the columns and rows as shown below. Also merge cells A to E in row 1. Let me go to Excel, and in Excel, what you would do, I've already done this here, I've merged the cells A to E in row 1. If I were to do this here, I would take here and I would select A to E, then I would go up to the menu and I would choose Merge and Center, and you'll find it somewhere probably in the home area, and click on there and that should merge the cells. Okay, and then what you do is you go through and take all the assignments that are listed on the assignment page. The assignment page will vary from semester to semester, so it's not going to be exactly what you're seeing here. But whatever the assignment page is for the assignment, then you're going to go ahead and list those in column A, starting with row 3. You'll have headings. You'll have the assignment, possible, earned, and percent, and professor comments columns in row 2, and then you're going to start the assignment starting on row 3. The assignment names and the possible points. You don't put the earned points yet unless you've earned them, and then we'll talk later about how to do the percent. So name all of those. Complete the possible points for each of the assignments that you have taken so far, then add all grades earned so far in column C. In cell D3, type the formula C3 equal sign, parentheses, C3 slash B3, and parentheses, and then hit enter. And then you get the formula for a decimal. The decimal should appear. Next, copy. Make sure you have cell D3 selected, and then do Control C to copy, and then paste it with Control V in cell D. Continue to paste in each cell all the way to the final assignment. Then select cells D3 to D60. Then find the number pull-down menu and change general to percentage. For instance, suppose these are all decimals instead of percentages, and then I would come up and I would find, I'm in home, and what I find here is I go up here and under number, look for number, and I'm going to choose, I'm not doing general, I'm not doing number, I'm not doing currency, what I'm doing is percentage, and you put percentage for that whole column all the way down where you just copied and pasted. And that means that you will come out with a percentage instead of a decimal. That's very important to get that right. You do not do a total at the end. Wherever the end is, whatever number that is, you don't do a total there. Your instructions for this particular semester will tell you where it should end. For this particular semester, it was Bell B61. What you're going to do in column B, and type the formula equal SUM, capital letters, parentheses, B3 colon B60 in parentheses, and then you do enter. That's the formula to add the entire column from top to bottom in B61, from B3 to B60. That's what you do. Okay. And 5, in cell C61, type the formula equals sum C3 colon C60 in parentheses. Press enter. Now you will be able to see how many points you have to date. As the scores for more assignments are added, the total will increase automatically. Run the report for your grades to date in Angel, and I showed you how to do that in class, and I'll show you again if you need help with that. You can call me on the phone as well, and I'll be able to lead you through it, talk you through it if you're having trouble with that. And what you have to do is run your reports, and where it says profile, you have to change from personal profile to grades. And then from there, you have grades, and then you run, and you'll be able to see all my comments, and you will be copying and pasting from that report into your Excel gradebook. If you have any questions, if any of this seems to be confusing, just give me a call.